Alright guys, so we got this project to do here. New construction for a builder. Let's check it out, shall we? Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is the front of the house. Got nice stonework over here. Nice garage. Anytime you work in new construction, definitely going to be in the mud here. So you got this excavated out for the sidewalk. Got some piles of dirt here, but part of the job. It's going through the garage. Nice concrete slab garage here. Big garage door. Go up the steps. Kitchen over here. Nice dining room area. Come up this way. I'll show you what I gotta do here. So I got this bathroom here to do. Floor. Got a laundry room over here. Got to just waterproof this whole floor. Put a drain over here, tile the floor, make it waterproof for the client. Good sized closets here, that's for sure. Then we got this master bedroom here. Got the master bath, is what I'm doing here. So got this floor to do. We're gonna tile around the jacuzzi and the shower. So that's what I have to do here. Around this side, that's the job.